Here testing out these adhesive dots. I grabbed them off of Amazon here and they come in this huge 350 pack. Let me show you the size here just by placing a quarter next to it. So this is the 0.8 inch and so it's a little bit smaller than a quarter. I'm just gonna test it out here on my refrigerator that is stainless steel, but you can use this on a ton of different surfaces. They do say to not use this on wet surfaces or uneven surfaces. They even say not to use it on painted walls, I suppose, just in case the paint off when you removed it, but you know, use your own discretion. So I'm gonna throw one on my refrigerator right here, and then I have to remove that top layer. But there you go, you can't even see it, it's on there. And I actually have a little tube of lip gloss right here that I'm gonna take and stick it. Holds that just fine, just pull it. And it actually came off right here on my lip gloss, and you can see as I pull it, it's like this stretchy like silicone material. So just that easy, and it leaves nothing behind. It'd be great for so many different things like crafts. I know those balloon arches are really popular right now. Gift wrapping, so you're not seeing the tape on the outside, but then you could also use it for things like putting labels on, say jars or containers. These would be perfect. Also, I did put one on my computer itself, even though I kind of messed up a little bit, but just to take it off, it's gonna be super simple. And it's supposed to not leave anything behind. I definitely like them because they're clear, they seem strong, and they don't leave any sort of material behind. So I hope this video has helped.